Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will break down the forecast of upcoming week of DXY, USDJPY and EURUSD. So let's start with DXY from weekly time frame. Basically I trade a simple concept of ICT, which is external and internal. Price move from internal in the form of FEG or order block to external. So I just identify the internal liquidity, either order block or FEG, and then I wait for entry model at the internal liquidity in the form of FEG order block. I already told you, and I target the higher high, which is external liquidity. So now let's identify internal liquidity in the DXY. As we know that we can see that price recently take out the external liquidity. This was the most recent high. Price is in clear uptrend. If you see, price is creating new higher high. Price take out the most recent higher high and printed a new higher high. Now we will wait for internal liquidity. So here we have internal liquidity order block. So this become order block basically is a down close candle in an uptrend before a bullish move. So this is a strong bullish move to the upside, and this is a down close candle. So this become your order block. So now I have marked this internal liquidity in the weekly time frame. Now let's refine this in daily time frame. So this was the zone, this red line from the weekly time frame, and this down close candle is from the daily time frame. So this is the down close candle before the strong bullish move. So this become our order block, and this become our key zone from weekly and daily time frame. And also we have this FEG, which is internal liquidity. I told you in the start of the video that internal liquidity is in the form of order block, which is this down close candle before the strong bullish move, and FEG, which is an imbalance. When price moves strongly, it create imbalance. So this become our two these two zone become our key zone. So I will wait for entry model in the 15-minute in this two zone like this, and then I will target this high either over here or over here. Now let's refine this zone further in 4-hour time frame. So we have the same FEG in the form of internal liquidity, and this is the key zone from daily and weekly time frame. Now we will refine this in 1-hour time frame. So we have refined this daily FEG. So first we have FEG like this. This was a like large zone, and then we refine it into 4-hour FEG. Now let's refine these two zone. First this one, and then this one in 1-hour time frame. Now as I have told you that order block is a down close candle before a strong buy move in an uptrend. So this is our down close candle. This is our down close candle between which was overlapping the key zone from daily time frame, as we have marked this zone from daily time frame and weekly time frame, and we refine this in 1 hour. So this is a key zone which is a down close candle before a strong move which take out this high. So this become our key zone. We will wait for a price to come back into this zone and give us a clear entry model, and then we will plan our long position from this zone and target this external liquidity. So this was the key zone from that I have refined from weekly and then to daily and then 4-hour, and we have finally refined it into 1-hour time frame. So this is our key zone where I will plan my long position in DXY. Now let's look at the USDJPY. As we know that we are bullish in DXY, so we will also plan long position on USDJPY because USD is base currency in USDJPY. Now let's look at the weekly time frame. So price recently take out this high, and this price created this down close candle before the strong buy move. So this is a strong buy move, and this is a down close candle on weekly time frame. So this is our order block from weekly time frame. Now we will wait for a price to come back into this zone, and then we will plan our buy position to target external liquidity. Now let's refine this key zone from the weekly into daily time frame. Now this was the key zone from the weekly time frame, and here we have a clear order block in daily time frame which overlaps the weekly time frame. So we will delete this weekly time frame zone. Now we have this down close candle which is order block before a strong move to the upside, and we also have this FEG. So here we have two internal liquidity, first this FEG and then this order block. So we can expect a buy move from either from this FEG to take out this external liquidity, or from this order block to take out this external liquidity. I will wait for my entry model at these two zone on USDJPY, and I will plan my position from these two zone. Now let's refine these two zone into 4-hour time frame. So these were the two zone from the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we have this down close candle before a strong buy move, and this is also unmitigated, mean that price didn't touch this zone. So this is a clean order block where we can plan our buy position. And also this from daily time frame, FEG from daily time frame. Now I will refine this into this order block, because I prefer order block, and here also we have clean FEG which were left with order block. So this become our key zone because this is a down move, this is a down move before a strong move to the buy side. So this become our order block. So I will wait on USDJPY, I will wait for a price to give me a clear entry model at these two zone, and I will plan my buy position from these two zone. First from this to target this high, and another from this. So I will wait for entry model at these two zone. Right now let's look at the EURUSD. So we are bullish on USDJPY and DXY, so our bias become automatically bearish on EURUSD, because here USD is a code currency, not base currency. And if you look at the chart, price is in a downtrend which is opposite to the DXY. Price is creating a lower low. Price break out this lower low, this lower low, and now we will expect a move to this low, because recently price mitigated this order block. This was a, so in downtrend, the up close candle before a strong move to the downside is our order block. Here we have this order block that I marked in previous week. I didn't upload the video, I was a bit busy. So this was the weekly order block from like previous 2 week. I marked this internal liquidity, and I was expecting a down move from this order block, because this was a up close candle before a strong move to the downside, and I was expecting a move to this, and then I will target from internal. This become our internal liquidity, and this become the target which is external liquidity. And as I anticipated, price step into this order block and then give a strong move to the downside towards this low, but price didn't take out this yet, so we can expect a move to this zone in the upcoming week. Now price created this order block. This is the up close candle before a down move. So from weekly time frame we have identified this order block which was up close candle before a down move. Now let's refine this zone into daily time frame. In the daily time frame we have this FEG, but it is already mitigated. Price tap into this and give us a move to the downside, so we can expect a move directly on Monday from this to target this low directly, or we can expect a move slightly to the upside to tap into this weekly zone and then to the downside. Now let's refine these two zones on 4-hour time frame. On 4-hour time frame I have identified only two zones. First, this order block. I will delete this zone because it was already mitigated. So from the 4-hour time frame I identified this order block because this was up closed candle before a strong move to the downside, so this become our supply zone. Now I will wait for a price to come back to this zone and give me a clear entry model, and then I will enter over here, and then I will target this low. And my another zone is in the EURUSD, is that price tap into this FEG which was internal liquidity, this FEG, and then give me a strong move to the downside. Price tap into this FEG which was from daily time frame and give me a strong move to the downside. Here price created one FEG. Let me show you. Price created this FEG and this order block which is a up closed candle before a down move. This was up closed candle before a down move, so this become our another key zone. Now I will also wait for a price to tap into this zone, give me a clear entry model. I will take one risk over here and another risk over here. If price give me a clear entry model, then I will enter, otherwise I will not. So we have these two key zone where we will wait for confirmation and then we will enter into the short position. So these are the two important zone. So these were my analysis for the upcoming week. I hope you would enjoy the video, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.